Here I have BLUBOO Picasso, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to the screen that you want to capture. Let's suppose that you want to take screenshot of your settings list. So next what you have to do is to tap power button and volume down at the same time to take a screenshot. Just like this. Let me show you one more time. Power button and volume down, and that's it. If you want to find your screenshot, you have to go to the gallery, to the screenshot album, and here you have your screenshot. You can share, edit or delete it from here, and that's it. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.